Very good. Now, you think I got where I am today because I dressed like Peter Pan here? Forget about it. Okay, now watch this, everybody.
Alright, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to kind of unbox and look at some cool things that in the next video we're going to be putting on the Sportster. When I bought the Sportster, I didn't have any rear pegs for anybody to sit on. So I went ahead and I ordered these. Look at those. Nice and chrome. The nice rubber place for the back person to put their feet on. So we're going to kind of be using those. But then I realized that I didn't have any of the mounting brackets or anything. So I had to went and order those too. And look at those puppies. Look at those. I don't know if it's going to do it justice on here, but those are really, really nice. So by the time that you connect these and put these on it, that's going to be a good looking peg for the back. It actually goes this way, but that's going to be a nice looking peg. So that's one. Two, I'm going to be doing an oil change and a primary oil change on the Sportster. I'd like to thank you all for stopping by. Make sure that you subscribe, watch this other video up here, and we hope to see you soon. Lots of new content coming.